What you doing, Jess? Are you the pretty bird? You the pretty bird? You just like attention, huh? He is the biggest attention seeker ever. Guys, let me know videos that you guys would like to see on this channel. Because I know these are probably getting boring, just seeing Jasper, you know, his everyday life. Unless this is videos you guys like. But Peaches, I don't know how many videos she's going to be in. She doesn't really like to be bothered too much. Jasper, on the other hand, he is an attention seeker. Look at that face. That face is the cutest thing ever. Peaches, I don't know, she's not like Jasper. She's not as outgoing as Jasper is. Jasper, he's just an attention seeker, huh? You're just an attention seeker, aren't you? So if you guys have any video ideas, guys, let me know. He is just the biggest attention seeker ever. I'm trying to get my house painted, and it's like really hard considering my birds. I haven't been able to paint my house in a while, and my birds keep chipping, like biting on all my woodwork. It's hard. It is really hard. Look at that face. So guys, let me know any videos that you guys would like to see on this channel with Jasper or with Peaches. I mean, I can try to get Peaches in more videos. She's just not as attention seeker as Jasper is. Jasper, can you say bye-byes? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you guys later. Bye.